Ryan Brenton with our forecast. A decent day, but changes are right around the corner.
It's funny, today was the first day this fall that at noon I walked out wearing shorts to go for a run. A little breezy. I was like, oh, might be a little too cool.
You heat up quickly though if you're
moving
moving.
This far into the season. This is good.
Apparently, maybe I just picked the right days.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm trying to keep shorts on for as long as possible.
One thing you will learn, Mainers wear shorts all year round. Just whether or not you're tough enough to deal with it.
You may not.
I probably won't. My dad's from Nebraska, and he'll wear flip-flops when it's like 30. That's crazy.
I want to get you started with an update on Hurricane Melissa. Obviously, it's now made 2 landfalls, one being in Jamaica yesterday and then in Cuba. It's now moving through the islands here between the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos over here. Category 1 storm, so it's not at the same strength it was earlier. However, the Hurricane Center has it going back up to a 2 as it passes west of Bermuda tomorrow night. And there will be a front coming in from the west. So even though this storm goes out to sea, it will scoop up some of its moisture and direct it our way early Friday morning. Upper 40s to low 50s out there right now. The sky is clear to partly cloudy. We've been in and out of clouds today. Storm system on the way is down here, and it's going to travel up to our west and bring a period of some heavy rain, most of it falling early Friday morning. For the rest of tonight, we will be quiet. Temperatures by tomorrow morning starting the day in the 30s. A little bit of sun out there in the morning, but I think overall tomorrow's a rather gray day. There will not be much rain during the daytime though. Maybe a shower off to the west. Otherwise, most of the rain holds off until well after sunset tomorrow night. You can see by 10 o'clock we're getting into some steady and even heavy rain over southern Maine and southern New Hampshire. And that continues to pick up through the night tomorrow night, along with a gusty breeze coming in off the ocean. And the temperatures tomorrow night actually go up. So we'll start Friday morning right around 60 with downpours moving through much of the state. Now this axis of rain lifts north through the morning. So by 10 a.m., I think from Bangor south, we're drying out. We will see some sunshine developing. It takes until early afternoon to get that rain out of northern Maine. Could even be a lingering shower after that there. But for the vast majority of us, our Friday afternoon will be drier. And I think that continues into trick-or-treating too for Friday evening. However, it will be getting breezy Friday evening after that system goes by. 1 to 2 inches of rain is a pretty good bet, and these will be coming in downpours, so the amounts won't be evenly spread, but there could be a few places that pick up closer to or maybe even a bit over 2 inches of rain, which we certainly need. And on Saturday, storm system's off to our northeast. It is going to be windy on the backside of this system on Saturday. In fact, we may have some wind gusts up to around 40 miles per hour out of the west. We usually can handle that direction in terms of power outages, but I can't rule out a few isolated ones on Saturday, just given the fact the wind will be up. Everybody's favorite graphic of the year right here, trick-or-treat forecast, and I think that we're in good shape. Temperatures will be dropping through the 50s and it will be breezy, but I think we're dry in most of the state Friday evening. Seas tomorrow 5 to 7 feet. There is a gale watch in effect on the water for Saturday as the winds really kick up. So most of the day tomorrow's dry but cloudy. Rain heaviest late tomorrow night into Friday morning, but I think we get it out of here for trick-or-treat. The wind does look gusty on Saturday, and it'll be a chilly day too with highs in the upper 40s to around 50. Less wind on Sunday. That looks like the pick of the weekend. And right now, early next week looks seasonable for what is the first week of November.
Yeah, we will be well aware of the new month next week.
Between the calendar and the clock change, yeah.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.